boy can tell me. Good morning, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna make this allow this live to stay up. I'm gotta get my filter. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I haven't gone live in so long. So much is happening. So much is happening for the month of October. Yeah, I'm gonna make this live still. Jalila eat bird. He loves bird. No. Say hi. You going to say hi? No. You going to say hi? You going to say hi? Jalila going to say hello? Okay, I'm just a check. Okay. Yeah, so hey Island Ash, hey Sweets 2K, hey, hello guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So I'm going to make this live step. As I said, a lot has been happening and a lot is going to be happening for October. First of all, today I'll be live with the Tabs Project here on their Instagram live at 6 p.m. Jamaican time. Just look at your time now. Right now, as I'm filming this, it's 8:51. I'm probably gonna be off of here by 9. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. You guys are so sweet. Yeah. So
Hello.
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 Mummy. Daddy. I love you. Hello. Hello. Hi. Oh my god. No. No. Yeah, so
Hello.
hello.
Mommy.
Hey mommy. Hey mom. They're calling you handsome, say thank you.
Daddy.
Say, mwah, thank you.
Thank you.
As much as he is too much pepper. Too much pepper. I don't know if you had this man, yeah, so something nice. Mama knows some must love, must root here. Now, Jal, please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Do not. Do not. So I'm having the big shirt upon him because it made me laugh this morning. I'm just put it on. And Mama say, take off him shirt. I'm like, nope. It makes me happy. I'm keeping it on. All right, so the month of October. So I'm very anxious for that month because a lot is happening. My sponsor and I from TLC will be hosting a TLC event in October. It's a TLC event. It is going to be between $120 and $150. And that is going to be your sign-up fee if you want to be a part of my TLC team. I'm going to be getting my products this week for TLC, so I'll be going on a weight loss journey for that event. Also in August, I'll be having classes in New York. I have a space already. In Florida, I have a space already, and in Connecticut, we're still searching for the space in Connecticut. There is, you guys are on hurricane watch. Sorry, I can't look at the comments now because I have to focus. You guys know how I am with focusing. For the Lee's Lavish Cuts Salon did my nails. I've never done nails like this with like the gems and stuff on them. So they're talking about keeping focus. I can't. Anyway, so what was I saying? Yeah, so you guys are on hurricane watch, I think, or storm watch, something like that. I don't know if it's the entire US or just Connecticut, but that's the deal with Connecticut. So I'm gonna have to wait out for probably today or tomorrow to hear back something from Sonique, because Sonique and I are putting that one together for Connecticut. No, not in August, in October. And also in October 3rd is my classes in Montego Bay. I have a space for that as well. So the only place I don't have a space for is for Connecticut. No, Jalil. What? You want me to walk? Walk, mommy. October lyric, not August. I said August. No, I meant October. Sorry. But this is what's happening to me now, and it's giving me like a crap ton of anxiety. Whenever I set my mind to do something for the past couple of weeks, I'm lying. For the past couple of months, I have gotten to the place where, and I'm going to be very, oh gosh. I have gotten to the place where I have like a lot of anxiety when it comes to doing things because I'd have it in my mind to do it, and then like this wave of depression hits, and then I can't do it anymore. And that's what I'm nervous about, because time is coming down for the classes. The class is going to have to be done in 3 days. 3 days. I can't have one day like what I was planning on having because of COVID restrictions.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Me?
Mummy?
Me?
Mummy?
Mommy?
Daddy?
Daddy?
Jonathan?
Mama?
Jaleel?
Hello.
Grandma?
Mama?
Jesus, Jaleel. You're
Hello.
like a ray of sunshine, you know that? But yeah, so time is coming down. I should have started promoting from 2 weeks ago. My fear is that I may not have enough students as usual, and what I got to do I may not have. I already have the goodie bags set up for the Jamaica classes, so I'll be working with companies. Couple of them, two companies reach out to me. Eat your bread. See your bread here. 2 companies reach out to me, so hopefully I can collab with Gael Cosmetics and Stash. So I'll be waiting. So yeah, I'll be meeting with Stash sometime this week, and I'll be having a meeting with Gael hopefully sometime this week, where products are concerned and goodie bags are concerned. I want to link up with brands. I have some money saved up. I was thinking about doing I like my own palette for the classes and have those as the giveaway, but I don't know if it's going to come in time. I have been talking to my friend in Texas, so I will be in Texas either January or February for classes. But for the classes for this time, let me close my eyes. For the classes for this time, it's going to be it has to be done in 3 days, and each day is one class. So one student is not going to come for the 3 days. So if you have your class on Monday, that's you on Monday. If you have a class on Tuesday, that's you on Tuesday. If you have a class on Wednesday, that's you on Wednesday. For New York, the classes are going to be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I think there's a holiday that's coming up. That's for New York, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. For Florida, it's going to be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And for Connecticut, the same thing as well. I want to keep it for that weekend. It has to be 3 days so I can accommodate as much students as possible with COVID restrictions. You must come to the classes and with the TLC event that Kay and I will be having with your PCR test, your negative PCR test, okay? The class is about the makeup. The classes is about makeup. The person asking, makeup classes. Yeah, makeup classes. So the cost is going to be low. I don't even make the flyer yet. I do want to link up Lero and some flyer look sexy and so, but I'm not gonna have the time, so I forgot bitch up something. Big up Lero. Lero is like one of the most amazing, best graphic designer I've ever come across, and I know him personally, so I have to big up my friend, big up my married friend. Yeah, so what was I saying? Classes. Oh yeah, the cost. So the cost is going to be between $375 and $475. Let me see. No, the cost will be $475, but there's going to be an early bird special where you pay $375. And the reason why I'm doing these cokehead prices is because of the times that we're living in. Is it me? I can't have my classes for how much I used to have it for. I can't go to 500, 600, 1,000. I can't do that because there are people who want to learn. There are people who want to support me by coming to the classes, and I have to make it affordable. So the class is $475 for all of them. For New York, which was my first class, then Connecticut, then Florida last. I'm going to spend my last week in Florida because you guys know Florida is Florida. It makes me so happy. It makes me so happy to see him in that shirt. It looks like him literally covered in the blood. Yes, my son. Esha da 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 da. Esha na na. Esha da 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 da. Bless him, lad. Bless him, Jesus. Yeah. Right. So it's going to be $375 for the early bird special. The first class is going to be New York. Second class Connecticut. Third class Florida. We're really technical. The first class is Jamaica, New York, Connecticut, Florida. Last class. I'm not going to have over 10 students for these classes, so it's 3 days. So in all, my aim is to get 30 students per class, 10 students per day. You must come with your PCR test for each class. If you do not, if your deposit is non-refundable. I did it on Eventbrite. I do not know how to use Eventbrite. I mean, if you call Lati, I left my laptop by my house because I just spend time with the boys today. So yeah, so tomorrow is a better day for me to set up the event, set up the classes, so that I can start receiving payments. I can start slotting people. Excuse me. They are certified. It's a certification of completion. There's a lot of, and I'm going to address it whenever the classes, even I did my classes here in in Jamaica at Faceplace years ago. It was a certification of completion that was done under Heart. My classes are certificates of completion done under my company that I registered here in Jamaica. So when I get over there, I'm going to do an LLC so that everything is like good, you know. So I've been talking to Sonic about it, Lati about it. Lati's from Florida, from Josiah Speaks Hope. So Lati knows somebody who can do the LLC for me. Shit, Jalil, my coat, Baba. Yeah. No, don't touch it. Yeah, my coat. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah. Yeah, but don't touch it, okay? Awa. It smell bad? Oh, okay. Yeah. What else? Right. Yeah. What else? I think that's all I have for now. No, I'm not taking DMs. I can't open up my DM. Please don't touch it, Baba. I cleared up my DMs this week, and because of TikTok and like the controversies on my TikToks and stuff, it might full up right back again. I cannot open my DMs. It's gonna mad me. So emailing needs better. I have a couple of emails I have to get back to. I have about 50 emails I have to get back to, and I have to do it today. So I couldn't carry my laptop today. I have to do it today. So yeah. So today is going to be a very, very, very long day. But that's for the classes. So for the Jamaica class, is probably the only one that I'm going to have probably 15 to 20 students in one sitting, one go, and that's because of the space I'm getting. I'm getting a big space. We can afford to do that for the Jamaica classes, New York classes, Connecticut classes, Florida classes. You must come with your negative PCR test. I cannot accept you any other way. We're still living in volatile times. How I feel about it doesn't matter. My personal belief doesn't matter. People out there are getting sick, so you must come. COVID restrictions, obviously, and we call them COVID guidelines will be observed. Protocols will be observed. What else? Yeah, so the goodie bags for Jamaica is being set. I have makeup for you guys, and I'm going to have goodie bags for each event. Is it me? What else do I have to say? 10 students per class, 3 days for the classes. For New York, Connecticut, and Florida, Jamaica is only 1 day. I really hope I'm not forgetting anything. Yeah. I'm going to ask you guys for help to help to keep me accountable. If you want, even under this post, because I'm going to put this up, if you want to ask your questions there under the live, I will be getting back to you. I'll be paying attention to this live where you're masked to. Yeah. No, but they were working closer together. That's why the test needs to be negative, because you'll be doing each other's faces in the class. They have to come with a negative test. Like, there's no way. There's no way you can't come without, there's no way. I'm going to have mine done and displayed. Like, no, like, you have to. You see me? What happened? Cover your mouth in a coughing, Papa. Awa, you need help? The water spill? It spill? Why you whisper? The water spill? Yeah, check your WhatsApp. Yeah, I'm going to check my WhatsApp. Yeah, being fully vaccinated. Oh no, I don't know if you're responding to somebody else, but I'm not worried about people being vaccinated and coming. I just need your negative test, your negative COVID test, and I can get it done in Portmore at the Portmore Hospital. When I was doing it when I was leaving, it's $7,000. So yeah, abroad it is like flipping expensive. Abroad, I bet you get juke when they are foreign, because that shit's free, and to get tested is like $100 to $200. Well, if you have insurance, I think it's free. If you have tested. I get distracted with the piercing closer. No, it's okay. Yeah. So alright. So the piercing. Let's just address that. What you say? What you say? And stop smiling, make me forget. Say me I go beat you. What you say?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, so I had this piercing and it's the new one, right? And it got a bump. I'm gonna put the teacher eye on it because when you get one bump in your saw, up your saw, I'm gonna put the teacher eye on it and it go away. And see, it don't even black or nothing. Fine. So I'm gonna teach you Alice, win-win. Put it on, and when I do, I bust it, I cut it, I slit it, squeeze what there, put the teacher eye. So it heal up, bust it. I know, and it's a good thing. I say, oh, it's a good thing. When me put him back the nose ring, you know, that one here down your side, that one here up here. So me send that blood clean. So this, it moved, the nose ring migrated. I'm like, I'm not doing this. So I took it out. So it's just there now. But I'm gonna do it again, like next year when it heals up. Because now you see one, oh, like me I breathe extra. So it's like, me, like, I don't know if I catch COVID, come on, have an extra nostril. Oh God, now Jesus, Lord, I be having too much Jesus. This is too much, Lord. That thing's that natural. Simone, yeah. Nothing. Wake up and know it's my extra nostril. I can't catch nothing. So what you want? Ready? Alright, come, let's go. You know, cause like I have an extra nostril. You can't tell me shit. I don't. You know, so it worries me. It does, it worries me. But anyway, I'm gonna go off this live. You know it's about to screen record this shit and it's about to put on YouTube, and that shit pisses me off so much. By the way, YouTube update. I still can't get anybody to talk to. Remember, yesterday, guys, I was talking to YouTube and I was getting through. The minute I started doing back videos on YouTube, them boys stopped emailing me. I emailed them since I was in Florida. That's almost 3 weeks ago. No response, bro. Since I've been back, no response, my guy. So I don't know, bro. I don't know. Before I go though, I just want to say that you are loved, you are appreciated, and as much as you feel like shit, it is just for a time. And I'm saying that because this is how I feel, and I have to remind myself I'm loved, I'm appreciated, and even though I feel like shit, it's just for a time. My emotions now are like all over the place. Yesterday was a friend of mine's funeral, and I couldn't even watch everything because it's just so weird to me. Like, even when I saw her body, it didn't even look like her. And she died because of COVID, and she was fully vaccinated. And people are gonna say, oh, maybe she had an underlying issue. I'm not even gonna get into that because she was healthy. As far as I'm concerned, I was with her, I think a week, just, yeah, like the week before. I was with her the week before they said that she would have died. My test is negative. My emotions are all over the place, bro. Like, yesterday was such a very sad and depressing time for me. And it's interesting because yesterday I filmed like probably 16 TikToks. And as soon as I was done filming, it's like it just completely overwhelmed me. It's such a crazy thing. Like, whenever, and I keep on telling us, whenever I'm riding on a high, something shitty always happens, and I'm right back on the earth. Bro. Good morning, Sonique. I love you. Yeah, so I'm gonna go. Yes, Papa? Malcolm. So my phone died, and I'm going to say this live. And where I do the bag? Where do the bag? Where buckle in the bag, Jaleel? Give it. Pull it. I love you so much. You make me happy, you know that? What happened? You want to come on my back? Tell them bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye. Yeah, mwah. Bye, guys. What you say, Jana? Jolly, put this back in the fridge. I was on live. Put this back in the fridge, Jolly.